An anti-cancer diet is an essential technique to lower your risk of cancer. Researchers are finding that specific foods that prevent cancer may be necessary for an anti-cancer diet. Although picking cancer-fighting foods at the grocery store and at mealtime can't guarantee cancer prevention, good alternatives may lower your risk. Consider these 10 anti-cancer foods in your diet. Before we continue with the list, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lab and turn on the notification bell to help us grow. Every subscriber is much appreciated. So, let's start. 10. Garlic. The sulfur compounds causing that smell may also prevent cancer-causing substances from developing in your body, quicken DNA repair, and kill cancer cells. Garlic also fights bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, and research recommends it decreases the risk of developing stomach, colon, pancreatic, esophageal, and breast cancers. To get the most benefits, you should peel and chop the cloves and let them sit for 15 to 20 minutes before cooking. This activates enzymes and frees the sulfur-containing compounds with the most protective impact. The World Health Organization suggests that adults eat about 1 clove of garlic every day to enhance their overall health. Garlic is the powerhouse of the allium family. Still, chives, onions, leeks, and scallions could also protect against stomach cancer, some research found. Research has discovered that garlic and onions can block the formation of nitrosamines, carcinogens that target multiple places in the body, usually the colon, stomach, liver, and breasts. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli and other cruciferous veggies such as kale, cauliflower, and cabbage have phytochemicals called glucosinolates, which release protective enzymes when you eat the raw veggie, rupturing the cell walls. Your body also makes those enzymes in the intestines, the researchers say. When raw or cooked broccoli passes through, these enzymes become activated. One of the most important of these enzymes is sulforaphane. Broccoli is a rich source of this specific compound. Scientists are still researching how sulforaphane could lessen cancer risk from harmful detoxifying substances in the body, like smoke and several environmental pollutants, to functioning as a kind of antimicrobial agent by battling the bacterium Helicobacter pylori. Steam broccoli and toss with garlic and some drops of olive oil for a super healthy dish. 8. Tomatoes. The red coloring in tomatoes makes them delicious, juicy, ripe one hard to resist and makes them a potential weapon against some diseases, including prostate cancer and heart disease. That red hue comes from a phytochemical named lycopene, a potential antioxidant, which is most concentrated in these red tomatoes. Multiple studies recommend that a lycopene-rich diet is linked to a lower risk of prostate cancer. However, researchers aren't yet completely reliable if the sources and kinds of lycopene act diversely on cells and whether other dietary and lifestyle elements play a role in decreasing prostate cancer risk. 7. Berries. Studies point to possible protection against cardiovascular diseases, memory decline, and cancer. In recent research, berry extracts slowed down the growth of cancer cells, particularly strawberry and black raspberry extracts had the greatest influence on colon cancer cells. Strawberries and raspberries are high in antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid, a phytochemical. In laboratory tests, ellagic acid has anti-cancer effects that rev up enzymes, eliminating cancer-causing compounds and slowing down the growth of tumors in most parts of the body. It seems to stop cancers of the skin, lungs, bladder, esophagus, colon, and breast. They also include flavonoids, which suppress an enzyme that damages DNA and has been associated with lung cancer. Other kinds of berries, which are high in flavonoids, deserve a spot on your plate: blueberries, blackberries, and cranberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, which lessen inflammation and are one of the most potent antioxidants. 6. Carrots. Carrots are one of the easiest veggies to love, cook, and eat. They are loaded with disease-fighting nutritional substances. Carrots have beta-carotene, antioxidants scientists think may protect cell membranes from toxin damage and slow down the growth of cancer cells in the body. And carrots supply other vitamins and phytochemicals that could guard the body against some types of cancers of the mouth, breast, pharynx, esophagus, larynx, and stomach. Some researchers believe carrots protect against cervical cancer because they deliver antioxidants that could battle human papillomavirus, the main cause of cervical cancer. In addition, carrots include fulcarenol, a natural pesticide that has anti-inflammatory impacts. 5. Spinach. You might have heard that lutein, an antioxidant, is a beneficial substance for your eyes. So, spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthine, carotenoids that eliminate unstable and harmful molecules called free radicals from the body before they cause damage. They're abundantly found in spinach and some of the other dark green leafy veggies. Some studies find that they could protect the body against cancer of the esophagus, mouth, and stomach. A study of more than 500,000 individuals discovered that those who consumed more spinach were less likely to get esophageal cancer. Some studies recommend that the carotenoids in spinach and other foods lessen the chance of ovarian, lung, endometrial, and colorectal cancer. 4. Whole grains. You may hear about revised federal nutrition guidelines suggesting that half of all the grains you eat, including rice, cereal, and even chips, should be whole, not refined. Whole grains supply plenty of fiber, but while diets rich in veggies and fruits have been associated with a lower chance of colorectal cancer, it isn't yet clear how dietary components, like fiber and certain kinds of fats, impact colorectal cancer risk. Still, whole grains have other substances that might fight cancer cells, such as lignans, which act as powerful antioxidants, and saponins, which could stop cancer cells from multiplying. Try to buy bread labeled 100% whole wheat rather than simply wheat bread, which likely holds refined grains. For even more lignans, pick a whole wheat bread sprinkled with beneficial seeds like flax or sesame seeds. 3. Grapes. Grapes are high in antioxidant resveratrol. Researchers show that resveratrol has the potential to possibly prevent cancer from forming in the breast, stomach, liver, and lymphatic system. The grape's peel has the most resveratrol compounds, so it leaves the skin intact. Red and purple grapes have much more resveratrol than green grapes. You can grab a handful of grapes as a snack or add them to your salad. Grape juice and red wine also have this antioxidant. According to the National Cancer Institute, resveratrol can be useful in preventing cancer cells from beginning or spreading. 2. Green tea. You may know that sipping green tea throughout the day will be great for your health. Green tea has a powerful antioxidant and may be a necessary part of an anti-cancer diet. Green tea, a cancer-fighting beverage, may be beneficial in preventing liver, pancreatic, breast, esophageal, lung, and skin cancer. Studies report that a non-toxic chemical abundant in green tea, epigallocatechin 3-gallate, acts against urokinase, an enzyme essential for cancer growth. 1 cup of green tea includes about 100 and 200 milligrams of this anti-tumor ingredient. The leaves of the tea plant Camellia sinensis have antioxidants named catechins, which can help stop cancer in a variety of ways, such as keeping free radicals from damaging your cells. Lab studies also have discovered that catechins in tea can shrink tumors and decrease tumor cell growth in the body. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with the active ingredient curcumin, which is being studied for use in battling against several types of cancer. For instance, some studies have found that curcumin can reduce tumor size and help stop certain cancers, such as breast and colon cancers. A 2018 study revealed that turmeric can lower oxidative stress on the body cells and help eliminate breast cancer cells. Turmeric is often utilized in curries and stir-fries and pairs well with other dishes. According to the American Cancer Society, curcumin can inhibit some types of cancer cells in laboratory studies and slow down the spread of cancer cells or shrink tumors in some animals. This cancer-fighting spice is very easy to find in grocery stores, and you can incorporate it into various recipes on your anti-cancer diet. Although cancer is a very dangerous and life-threatening type of disease, and it is mostly hard to cure, it is clear that the diet that you've had thought your life impacts its formation. So, from now on, try to consume healthy foods and avoid processed and fast foods to lower cancer risk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.